In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Weebly website for SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a crucial aspect of your website's success because it helps improve your site's visibility on search engines like Google. This means more people can find your products, services, or content, leading to increased traffic and potential business growth. Let's dive into how you can make the most of your SEO settings in Weebly. First, we'll start in the Weebly site editor. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking here is your gateway to adjusting various aspects of your site. And more importantly for us, it's where you'll make some essential tweaks to improve your SEO. Now, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of different settings you can adjust. You'll want to click on SEO. This section is your toolbox for making the necessary adjustments to optimize your site for search engines. The SEO settings you find here allow you to make critical changes that can significantly boost your site's visibility. You might want to start by customizing the site description, adding relevant keywords, and ensuring your website title is clear and informative. These elements are what search engines look into to understand what your site is about and if it's relevant to search queries from potential visitors. But optimization doesn't stop at just the site-wide settings. Weebly also allows you to adjust the SEO settings for each individual page on your site. This is an incredibly valuable feature because it enables you to tailor each page to target specific keywords and phrases that are relevant to the content on that page. To do this, navigate to the top bar and click on Pages. Here, you can select the specific page you want to optimize. Clicking on the page brings up several options, and from this menu, you'll want to choose SEO settings. Now, in this section, you have the opportunity to delve deeper into individual page settings. Make sure each page has a unique title and description that clearly depicts its content and includes keywords that potential visitors are searching for. This personalization helps search engines understand the specific focus of each page, thus making it more likely that you'll come up in relevant searches. And there you have it. Once you've tinkered with these settings, both site-wide and on individual pages, you're well on your way to optimizing your Weebly website for better search engine performance. These adjustments don't usually cost anything, but the value they can bring is immense as they potentially lead to more visits and higher engagement on your site. So take the time to make these changes, as they can make a significant difference in how your site performs on search engines. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in becoming a Weebly SEO pro.